Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making Jamaican jerk chicken from scratch. Alright, so this is the marinade ingredients. In this plate I have fresh ginger, garlic, scallions, thyme, and half of a lemon. Right here I have vinegar. Next I have orange juice and oil. Back here I have soy sauce, allspice berries and bay leaves, brown sugar, and some spices. And remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out. If you have a bigger blender than I do, just throw everything in there, y'all. I have this small little mixer, and so I had to put half of the time to make sure it will fit. Eventually it did fit, so you want to add everything down in here and blend it up. And that's pretty much the marinade for the chicken. So I thought I was nice and prepped, y'all. I forgot to add my habanero pepper. I have 2 here. I'm going to put 1 down in here first. Taste it to see if the heat level is good. If I want it to be more spicy, I'll add the second one. But I only ended up using 1. This is my chicken right here. I washed it up. I had it on paper towel drying. You want to put your marinade all over the chicken. If you want to see a video on how to butterfly a chicken, I'll make sure I put that below. But I already did that, so I decided to skip that step in this video. So you want to get the marinade all over the chicken. Make sure you do this the night before or in the morning, where it's like hours before you actually have to cook it. The longer it sits, the better it is. Believe me. With clean hands, you want to put your chicken right on your rack, just like this. If you don't have this rack, you could just use a baking pan. It's totally fine. Put your, the rest of the marinade over it. You want to tuck the wings back so they don't burn, just like this. Y'all, this chicken was so good, like I can't. Alright, so while the chicken is in the oven, I'm going to make like a little glaze, just some honey on top of a couple tablespoons of butter, and it's just going to be like a little light glaze on top of the chicken, nothing serious. This is what the chicken looks like after an hour in the oven on 400 degrees. Look how beautiful this chicken is. It's because of the oil, the brown sugar, the spices. It just gave this beautiful color all over the chicken. So I'm just going to take the honey butter mixture and just lightly brush over. I'm probably going to pour the whole thing over there, but you want to just brush it all over the chicken. It's going to give extra flavor as well as like a shine to your chicken. Put it back in the oven on 375 for another 10 to 12 minutes. And this is what it looks like. It was juicy. It was perfect. It was so pretty outside and inside. And yeah, so I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's definitely a winner chicken dinner. I know y'all sick of my chicken recipes, but listen, yes, it is a little spicy, but it's not hot. It's not hot or overbearing. Children can eat this. Not kid like babies, but like children can eat this. It was not that hot at all, but it was spicy. And yeah, so give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.